You're interested in 3D printing this design on your 3D printer, or scale it way up, or leave gaps between the spikes? Here's how to do it. Let me show you real quick what this is all about. I designed this very popular 3D printable WallArt/sound diffuser panel and published the 3D print files for free on MakerWorld. I also made videos about the design process in the 3D software Blender, as well as slicing, 3D printing and putting everything together. The file over on MakerWorld is however designed specifically for a Bambu Lab X1C 3D printer, and people have asked how to print the model in its original size, but on a smaller 3D printer. Or even scale the whole thing up to cover more wall surface area. I think the best way is to give you a STL file with individual numbered spikes, so you can scale to whatever size you like and print on any 3D printer. You can find the link to the new STL file below the video and in the card above. After importing the STL into the slicer, this is now the perfect time to scale the entire model up or down if you want to do so. The original size of the square base of each spike is 40 by 40 millimeters, and there are 11 rows and 16 columns, which makes the complete design 64 by 44 centimeters big, if you leave no gap between the spikes. And in my case, I have simply glued everything to a 70 by 50 centimeter canvas. Use these measurements to scale the model to your desired target dimensions. For example, if you want each spike to have a base of 60 by 60 millimeters, then scale to 150%. Now to print this, we can split the model into 176 individual spikes. In Bambu Studio or Orca Slicer, you simply right-click and choose Split Two Objects. Other slicers might have different options to do this. At this point, you could even decide to only print a section, maybe just the center square, and delete the unnecessary objects. Anyway, we now have 176 objects, and we can use the Arrange Objects feature to put all the spikes onto print plates in an optimized way. Now pick your slicer settings. For mine, I use just one wall, lightning infill and fuzzy skin. But you can always do a test print of a single spike to find the best settings for your printer and filament. Also, depending on how sturdy the 3D prints need to be, maybe use more infill or walls or whatever. The final step is to glue everything to a base plate. To do this, each spike has a number embossed on the bottom, and you can refer to the numbers.png placement chart to figure out which spike goes where. If you have any questions or suggestions for improvements, drop me a note, and please share pictures of your result and how you improved your wall with this cool piece of art. Thanks, see ya!